This is natural convection apparatus, and we have to find out convective heat transfer coefficient in natural convection. In this setup, there is a cylindrical surface which is connected with a heater. There are 4 thermocouples fitted on this surface. Another 2 thermocouples that is fitted in the air. Now see the apparatus. This is voltmeter, this is ammeter, this is on off switch, this is regulator by which you can adjust the voltage this way. I am setting the voltage at 100 volt. Okay, I am giving 100 volt and corresponding ampere is 0.42. This is the temperature indicator. You will get T1, that is now is showing 40, that means T1 is fitted in the air. T2, that is surface temperature 64, T3 64, T4 is showing 74, T5 is showing 71, and T6, that is also in air, that is 43. So total number of sensors are 6 sensors, T1 and T6 fitted in the air, and T2, T3, T4, T5 fitted on the surface. This is the surface. Okay, so now we know Q is equal to H A del T. Now question is, how can you calculate Q? There are 2 methods. You can calculate from V into I, that is 100 volt and I is showing 0.42, so V into I you will get the Q. Another method is that you have to measure the air velocity. You need this cross sectional area and you need an anemometer to measure the velocity of hot air. So you will get the area into velocity of the air, you will get the Q. That Q means discharge. When you will get the discharge, you will get also the mass of the air, and MCP dt you will get the small q. So basically we are not doing this experiment with the help of anemometer. We are directly putting the value of V into I and we will get the Q. So Q is equal to HA del T. H, that you have to find out. A means surface area of this cylindrical object, that is pi dl, and del T means surface temperature average minus air temperature average. What is surface temperature average? Surface temperature average is the averages of T2, T3, T4 and T5, and air temperature average means the average of T1 and T6. So Q is equal to HA del T. You have to find out the H. Q is equal to V into I. A means pi dl and del T means average of surface temperature minus average of air temperature. Okay, so Q is equal to H del T. This H means experimental H, convective heat transfer coefficient. This H is experimental H. You can calculate the theoretical H also. For that calculation you need basically 3 numbers, that is Grashof numbers, Prandtl number and Nusselt number. What is Grashof number? Grashof number is equal to L cube rho square G beta del T by mu square. All the data are given in the manual except del T. Del T means such a surface temperature average minus air temperature average. Otherwise all the data are given in the manual, so you can calculate Grashof number. Grashof number is nothing but a buoyancy force by viscous force. When you get the Grashof number, you will get the Prandtl number from the air properties chart. Otherwise you can calculate the Prandtl number. Prandtl number is equal to mu Cp by K. These data is also given in your manual, so you can calculate also Prandtl number. Otherwise you will directly get the Prandtl number from the air properties chart. When you get Grashof number and Prandtl number, there is the equation of Nusselt number. That Nusselt number is equal to 0.13 into Grashof into Prandtl to the power 0.33. Okay, so this is the basically equation. When you get the Nusselt number, you will get, and Nusselt number is equal to HL by K. From that equation you will also get the convective heat transfer coefficient H, because Nusselt number is equal to HL by K. Okay, so this is the experimental value and theoretical value and experimental value that I have explained earlier, that is Q is equal to HA del T. Q means such a V into Y. H, that you have to find out. A is equal to pi dl, and del T means surface temperature average minus air temperature average. So I am just showing one data, that is temperature reading, that is T1 is showing 40, T2 means হচ্ছে সারফেসের 65, T3 68, T4 77, T5 73 and T6 45. So T1 and T6 for air and T2, T3, T4, T5 for surface. Okay, this is the experiment procedure. Thank you.